Lenovo expands manufacturing footprint into Saudi Arabia and MEA to boost AI-powered supply chain. Lenovo is accelerating its global expansion strategy by deepening its manufacturing presence in Saudi Arabia and the wider Middle East and Africa (MEA) region. The move comes as part of the company's commitment to building a more resilient and scalable supply chain, driven by artificial intelligence and real-time data optimization. The tech giant aims to localize production to better serve rapidly growing demand across emerging markets. By tapping into the strategic logistics hubs and industrial infrastructure of Saudi Arabia, Lenovo seeks to reduce delivery times and enhance responsiveness to regional market dynamics. The expansion aligns with Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 initiative, which promotes high-tech industrialization and global partnerships. With AI playing a central role in modern supply chain innovation, Lenovo is leveraging intelligent manufacturing systems to predict demand, manage inventory, and streamline logistics. The MEA-focused investment not only strengthens Lenovo's competitive position but also reinforces its goal of creating smarter, more sustainable operations worldwide.